Hi there guys, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today I want to talk about 3 passive ways to make income online. Right, now when I'm talking about passive income, what I'm talking about is something that will continually keep paying you. So when they talk about passive income in the industry that I'm in the make money online niche, they're talking about make money while you sleep. Now I just want to warn you on a few things. I'm going to give you these 3 things in a minute, but first I have to put this little thing in there first to just tell people, because a lot of people do say, well, I'm going to help you make money while you sleep, and people then start to get into this blue pill mentality type thing, thinking that I'm going to give you a secret, or somebody's going to give you this secret that you can apply, and then tomorrow you're going to wake up, you're going to go to sleep and wake up tomorrow and you're going to have $50,000 in the bank. Let's just get it clear. I've always said this to people who come to my channel or ever read any of my stuff. This is not the blue pill solution. This is ways that you can put some work in consistently for say 3 to 6 months and then start to see massive results. Anybody that you see online that's telling you all this kind of blue pill stuff, run away, because it's not true. Everybody that you see making money online, they've worked hard. They put the work in. They put the work in, and now they're seeing the results. So I'm going to tell you 3 passive ways that if you do put the work in, and if you do be consistent, you will start to see money coming into your account. And then you will start to see money when you're asleep, and you wake up. You'll see, you'll look in your email or whatever, and you'll start to see cash coming in. Yeah, without doing the work. Then the best way to do, if you're looking for a quick solution, best 2 things I can tell you is go and buy a lottery ticket, or secondly, I don't know, let's just hope that the tooth fairy comes tonight and you wake up and there's loads of money on your pillow. Alright, so let's get started. The first way, I would say, the first way to make money, passive income, is using a YouTube channel, like what you're watching right here. You start a channel. It's very, very easy to set up a YouTube channel. You just go to Google, you sign up for an email, and that comes with the YouTube channel included. Now, how do you make money using it? How do you make money using the YouTube channel? Well, then you start to put videos up on topics that people are searching for. Go and find other people in your niche and see what they are putting out there, and you make similar videos to them. Yeah, don't try and reinvent the wheel. Do what's working. If you see somebody's video and it's got 50,000 views on it, means people are interested in that topic. Go and research that topic and make a video yourself on it. If it's your niche, you should be interested in it anyways. You should know a little bit about it. So then make a video on it. Now, if you can get 50,000 views and then you can put a link underneath your video to whatever you're selling, you'll make money that way. Also, if you want to make money from YouTube itself, it actually pays, those ads you see at the front of the videos, you might have seen one before this video. It actually, it's like AdSense, the more ads that they show, the more views you get, the more ads that are shown, you make a commission, you make a small bit of money. You can end up making $80 to $100 a day just by just for the fact that your video is being viewed because it's interesting. Again, no, this won't happen overnight. This is a process. But imagine now, you've got a channel, you're consistently putting videos up. Maybe I would say at least twice a week. So pick 2 days and put videos up on those days. Then you will see over time, the more videos you put up, the more consistent you are, YouTube will start to give you some love. They'll start to move your videos up. They'll start to show in the side, on the left-hand side, and then you'll start to rank with other people, other people with high views. I lost my tongue there. So then you'll start to get some of that juice, some of that viewage, and there you go. Then your video will start to go up and up and up. More people will view it. More people listen to your message. And if you are sending people to either some sort of link where you're making money, then there's more people viewing your videos, more clicks, and it's just this beautiful circle where you're making more and more money. So YouTube channel is, I would say, is the first way. And even, listen, a lot of people say to me, I'm frightened to get on video. What do I talk about? We all have to start somewhere. Do you know, we have to start somewhere. Not everybody's great on video. You know, I now, even today, I don't think I'm great on video. Do you know, you see some people, they're so good, they're so charismatic, they're like, da 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 da, and they're really, really engaging. But they had to start somewhere. And the same, sorry about that, I had a little glitch there. But yeah, say I'm selling this pen, then yeah, I'll tell you about the pen. I'll be on it. I wouldn't be biased. Yeah, I would tell you about the pros and the cons, and then I'd say to you, listen, if you're interested in buying it, go to this link below. Now that link will be an affiliate link. It'll be a link that'll take you over to somewhere you can buy the pen, but I will make a commission from that. I'd make some, say you bought it for $10, I would make a couple of dollars from that sale. That's what affiliate marketing is. But one great thing about affiliate marketing, depending on the company that you choose, not only will you make a commission, but then they have salespeople that will continue to do selling for you. And a lot of the products have what we call a recurring income. So you buy the product, but then you have to pay every month to maintain the product. Yeah, so those are some of the best affiliate products to get with a recurring income. So once you get the person to buy the first time, then they have to keep paying every month, and you get some of that. So again, one sale, but the person keeps on paying to keep the product, to keep the use of the product, and you make a commission for that. So once you've made that first sale, every month some commission comes in that you have nothing more to do. So again, fast asleep, wake up, end of the month, you've made some money. You know, now that is, I love affiliate marketing. I've been in it for years, and that's my main source of income, what I recommend the most. Yeah. So listen, I hope you got some value from this. The resources I was talking about, I'll leave it in the description below. Also, listen, if you want to know more about what I do, if you want to have a free 4-part training course that I give away for free, then all you need to do is go to the link below. It's www.empowermentteam.org/PC, for PC. And on that link, you'll get completely, once you've opted in, you get completely free access to my 4-part training course where I teach you more about the essentials of affiliate marketing. Alright, so if that's for you, again, completely for free, I'll leave the link below this video. But I hope you got some value from this. So go out there and just take action on some of the things I'm doing. Thanks for listening. Till next time, take care, and we'll speak again soon. All the best.